Hey everyone, and welcome to Codred Labs, your trusted Zoho partner. Well, today we're going to explore exactly how Zoho's ERP makes that a reality. No, really, just stop and think about that for a second. Imagine a world where your sales team, your finance department, the folks in the warehouse, even your HR team, they're all talking to each other seamlessly, in real time. That disconnect, that's the core problem that a modern ERP system, that's enterprise resource planning, is built to solve. Okay, so that's the big promise. But how does an ERP actually pull it off? How does it connect all those dots and create that one command center? Well, to understand that, we've got to start with the most fundamental part of any business. And that, of course, is the money, the lifeblood of any organization. Mastering your finances is absolutely core to everything, and an ERP, well, it brings some serious clarity to the whole situation. First up, let's talk about the fun part, money coming in. Now, this isn't just about sending an invoice and hoping for the best. We're talking about streamlining the entire sales cycle. You can create and send out professional quotes, manage all your customer info in one place, and then, this is the crucial part, actually get paid. The system can handle online payments, it can automate those, awkward payment reminders, and it can even juggle multi-currency transactions if you're working internationally. And here's something I love. It even gives your customers their own self-service portal. They can see their invoices, manage their accounts. It just saves everyone a ton of time. All right, now for the other side of that coin, money going out. An ERP gives you total, and I mean total, control here. You're tracking every single expense and bill, you're managing all your vendor information and credits, and you're processing purchase orders without breaking a sweat. And the automation here is where things get really cool. The system can literally auto-scan receipts right out of your email. How amazing is that? It can also apply complex landed costs. That's the total cost to get a product to your door, including shipping and fees, so you know your true profit margins. It even gives your vendors their own portal, which just makes communication so much easier.
And look, this isn't some rigid, one-size-fits-all system. It's super flexible. Maybe you're a subscription business and you need recurring billing. Got it. Or maybe you're a consulting firm that bills by the project. No problem. Or hey, maybe you charge based on usage. The system handles all of it. The whole point is that it adapts to your business model, not the other way around.
Okay, so we've got the money handled. Let's shift gears now from the abstract world of finance to the very physical world of products, inventory, and operations. Yep, we're diving into the supply chain. So what's really powerful here is that you get to see the entire product journey, all in one place. It starts with sourcing your materials. You can automate requests for quotes from all your suppliers. Then you move to procurement with automatic purchase orders. From there, you're tracking all that inventory with barcodes and batch numbers. Then order management kicks in, syncing up everything whether you sell on Shopify, Amazon, or anywhere else. And finally, it all ties into your shipping carriers to get the product out the door. It's a complete end-to-end picture of everything that's happening. And let's geek out for a second on the tech behind that inventory management. We're talking about managing multiple warehouses from a single screen. We're talking about generating and scanning barcodes for near-perfect accuracy. You can track individual serial and batch numbers, which is a lifesaver for quality control. And you can set automated reorder levels. Just think about that. Your team can stop constantly putting out fires and actually focus on more strategic work. This is really how you build a super efficient, error-free warehouse. This slide, it just says it all, doesn't it? From the manufacturing floor all the way to the customer's front door, every single step is tracked and visible inside one system. That seamless visibility, that's the real magic of integration. All right, so we've covered money and we've covered products. But what's a business without its most important asset? It's people, of course. So now, let's take a look at how an ERP becomes a total powerhouse for your HR and payroll. And what I find really interesting here is how much this empowers the employees themselves. They get a self-service portal where they can do things like view and download their own payslips, submit their IT declarations, manage travel requests. They can even contact the payroll admin right from the portal. It creates so much transparency and, let's be honest, it frees up your HR team from a mountain of administrative work. Meanwhile, on the back end, the system is an absolute workhorse. It handles the huge complexity of payroll with automation. We're talking automatic salary calculations, handling all those tricky statutory deductions like EPF and ESI, processing full and final settlements for departing employees. It even generates critical documents like Form 16.
This is all about making sure your payroll isn't just on time, it's accurate and 100% compliant with the law.
So we've seen all these incredibly powerful functions, right? But the big question is, how do they all talk to each other? And maybe more importantly, how do they talk to the other tools you're already using? Well, that's what this next part is all about: connection, customization, and integration.
And this right here is such a critical point. Data is completely useless when it's stuck in a silo. Think about it. If your sales team runs a huge promotion, but that info never makes it to the warehouse, what happens? You're going to oversell and you're going to have a lot of unhappy customers. When your data can't connect, you're basically flying blind. And this is the solution in action. Your ERP acts as that central hub. It connects directly to the payment gateways you already use, like Stripe or PayPal, so you get paid faster. It syncs with your e-commerce stores on Shopify or Amazon, letting you sell anywhere. It integrates with your shipping carriers like Delivery, so you can deliver on time. It's all about creating one seamless, connected ecosystem.
But it's not just about connecting to other tools. The system can be molded to fit your exact business processes. Right out of the box, sure, you can create custom fields and views, but you can go so much deeper. You can build entire custom modules from scratch, create really complex workflow rules, and use things like webhooks and APIs, which are just fancy ways for different software to talk to each other automatically, to make the system do precisely what you need it to do. Okay, let's start to bring this all together and talk about what we call the integrated advantage. Why does having all of this stuff in one place actually matter so much? Now that we've seen everything it can do, let's look at this definition one more time. An ERP is a unified platform, a central command center that connects and automates all of your core business functions. You see, it's not just another piece of software, it's really the operational brain of your entire company. And look, if you only take away one thing from all this, let it be this: the ultimate benefit is having one single source of truth. I mean, just think about that. No more conflicting spreadsheets floating around, no more meetings where you waste half the time arguing about which department's numbers are the right ones. Just one reliable, real-time view of everything, available to everyone who needs it. This quote really just sums it up perfectly, doesn't it? The power is in seeing the whole picture, not just the pieces. An ERP is what gives you that holistic view, and that's what leads to smarter, faster, and way more confident decision-making. At the end of the day, it's a simple but incredibly powerful promise. One business, one system, and zero friction. It's about removing all those little obstacles that hold you back from real growth. So that really leaves us with a final question for you to think about. Right now, is your business running as one unified whole, or is it, more like a collection of separate, disconnected pieces trying to work together?
If you're ready to bring all those pieces together, we are here to help.